Hello everyone. My name is Yannick Dumeige from the FOTON Institute, and I have the privilege of chairing this sixth webinar co-organized by the Société Française d'Optique, the GDR Ondes and the GDR Complexe. This webinar is the second in a series of three, all of which focus on neural networks. So at the first webinar, we had two presentations that gave us an educational introduction to the main principle behind artificial intelligence and neural networks. So today we will be looking at the role of optics in the implementation of these neural networks. As always, the session will begin with an in-depth analysis of a seminal article in the field. So today we will discuss parallel photonic information processing at gigabyte per second data rates using transient states by Daniel Brunner, Miguel Soriano, Claudio Mirasso, and Ingo Fischer. This analysis will be presented by Muhammad-Waqar from CentraleSupélec. We will then have the opportunity to hear from one of the article's authors, Daniel Brunner, from the FEMTO Institute, who will give a presentation entitled Optical Neural Networks Computing with Lasers, with Spikes, and How to Train. And eventually, Fabrice from the Université Côte d'Azur and Chief Scientist Officer of the startup NcodiN will present the industrial side of things in his presentation, Photonics for Artificial Intelligence, What's Going On in the Industry. So for questions, to ensure that everything runs smoothly, you can raise your hand and wait for me to give you the floor, or ask your questions in the chat and I will relay them.